Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, your trusted source for home design and decor tips. Today, we're going to talk about something super important: how to take care of your furniture. No matter how beautiful or expensive your furniture is, it won't last long without proper care. Whether it's wood or leather, furniture needs some love to stay in great shape. In this video, I'll be sharing easy and practical furniture care and maintenance tips to keep your pieces looking fresh and new for years to come. 1. General furniture care basics. Let's start with some general furniture care basics. Dusting your furniture regularly is a must. Dust can accumulate quickly and damage the surface over time, especially for wood and polished pieces. Use a soft, dry cloth or a microfiber duster to gently clean off any dust. 2. Caring for wooden furniture. Now, let's talk about wooden furniture. Wood is durable, but it can easily get scratched or damaged if not properly cared for. Always use coasters or placemats to protect the surface from spills and heat. When cleaning wood, avoid using harsh chemicals. Mild soap and water work just fine. For a deeper clean, use a wood polish or conditioner to keep it looking shiny and to protect it from drying out. 3. Upholstered furniture maintenance. Next up is upholstered furniture, like sofas and chairs. For fabric furniture, vacuum regularly using a soft brush attachment to remove dirt and dust that can settle into the fibers. If you spill something, act quickly. Blot the stain with a clean cloth instead of rubbing, and use a fabric cleaner suited to the material. For leather furniture, wipe it down with a damp cloth and apply a leather conditioner every few months to keep it soft and crack-free. 4. Protecting outdoor furniture. Don't forget your outdoor furniture. To protect it, consider storing it indoors during bad weather or covering it with waterproof furniture covers. Clean outdoor pieces regularly to prevent dirt buildup, and for wooden outdoor furniture, applying a protective sealant or oil once a year can extend its life. Metal furniture may need rust-proofing sprays to avoid corrosion. And that's it for today's video on furniture care and maintenance tips. Whether you've got a beautiful wooden table, a comfy fabric sofa, or stylish leather chairs, taking a little extra care can go a long way in making sure they last. Don't forget to like, subscribe.